Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now we are in the 11 miles area of Bull Bay and we are showing you the work that's going on out here, Reed Highway. Now where we are now, the highway runs along the existing roadway. Straight ahead where you see that bridge, the highway is going to go over the hill. So it no longer runs along the existing highway. It then takes a new path and goes over the hill. So here, with the section we are now is the existing roadway that's being upgraded to 4 lanes. And looks like they're paving the other side of the road now, because between the Harborview Bridge and Albion, it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. So we're just going to stop here. Alright, so we're going to show you what's going on now. So I make a video of the work. So this is the bridge that takes you onto this new road that was built going over the hill. And here is the existing roadway from the Harborview Bridge that they are upgrading to the 4 lanes. And this section, the entire section from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge, is to be finished in August 2023. So they are doing a lot of work on this section now. So just to go through the entire alignment with you. The highway runs from Harborview to Port Antonio, 120 kilometers of highway quality road. And then you have a section from Cedar Valley to Morant Bay, which is 12 kilometers or 13. So the entire highway project is 132 kilometers. And then it's broken up into sections because that's a massive highway. Just to give you an idea, from Maypen to Mandeville is 28 kilometers. So that gives you an idea of just how long this highway is going to be. And from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge, it's going to be, from the Harborview Bridge to Albion is 4 lanes. So that section from the Harborview Bridge to Yalos is 17.4 kilometers of 4-lane highway. Except from Albion to the Yalos Bridge, it's 2 lanes. So everything is broken up into sections. China Harbour Engineering Company is the main contractor, and they have subcontracted out some of the work, the local subcontractors. So from the Harborview Bridge to where we are now, the highway runs along the existing roadway. And that roadway is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. Literally what you see going on in front of us, that's what's happening from the Harborview Bridge to where we are now. And then from where we are to here, this bridge back to the Southern Coastal Adventure Park, the highway takes a new alignment and goes over the hill and comes out by the Southern Coastal Adventure Park. And then from the Southern Coastal Adventure Park to Albion Heights, it then runs along the existing roadway that's going to look like what you're looking at now, the 4 lanes. And then from Albion Heights to Grand Spend, the highway goes over the hill and comes back out by Albion Heights to Grand Spend. It goes over the hill and comes out by Grand Spend. And then from Grand Spend to Albion, it runs along the existing roadway, and that entire stretch is 4 lanes. And then from Albion to the Yalos Bridge, it runs along the existing roadway that's going to be upgraded, but it's 2 lanes from Albion to the Yalos Bridge. And this section is going to be finished in August of 2023. So we'll keep you guys updated on the progress. We actually have videos up of driving on this section, so you can check it out. And we also have drone footage, but it's raining today, so we're not. If it stops raining, we'll get some more drone footage, but alright, so where we're going now, the highway is not running along this path. The highway goes over the bridge to the Southern Coast Adventure Park. So this area is going to have a serious decline in traffic. Because remember, this highway is not a toll road. It's free, you don't have to pay to use it. So why would somebody drive on this old road when they can drive on the highway for free? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.